Hey gamers, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing a town speed build. I'll be kind of starting this like town series, basically working on a Bloxburg town. And also this is a voiceover, so I basically built this and then I'm doing the voiceover now and editing. Um so yeah. So I'm also not gonna put my intro in because I want you guys to enjoy the actual like video. So yeah, so I'm just doing houses here. It did kind of take a while to figure out everything. And when I was finished with this, I had like $1,000 left. Don't worry, I'm going to work, basically. And also, if you see like the clips, like ending and stuff, for some reason, when I tried to make like go and make it like full screen, the recording would stop. But that only happened like 3 times. Not really that noticeable. Um, so yeah, and I probably will be making some changes. I did have some leftover space in the middle, but I think I'm gonna put something there. And I'm also going to like make my layout in Canva, and I might actually post it on TikTok and my community tab if I remember. But yeah, I'm just making. I'd had to draw the walls here. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this speed build. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like if you want to. But yeah, bye.